Intonation. Listening Speaking Activity 1, Intonation and Direct Address. When directly addressing a person, you should make a short pause before the name. The name begins with lower intonation and slightly rises at the end of the name. Read and listen to the following. In the first example, the person is speaking about Mary. In the second example, the person is speaking to Mary. Example. Do you know Mary? Do you know Mary? Listen to the following sentences and identify which one you hear. You should pay particular attention to intonation and direct address. Number 1. I want to leave Johnny. Number 2. Susan didn't call Kenneth. 3. Larry does not understand Professor White. 4. Is he paying Harold? 5. Did Greg phone Carl? 6. She played Ben. 7. Michael believed Paula. 8. Bob has decided to write Tom. 9. Angela misunderstood Professor Jones. 10. After the car accident, Pearlie changed Ignacio. This time, I want you to make a recording, a digital recording. I want you to read A and B of all 10 statements. And then afterwards, you can compare your recording to my recording. Pause the video to make your recording now. Again, pause the video to record both statements, A and B, of each of these. Alright, now you can compare your recording to my recording. 1. I want to leave, Johnny. I want to leave Johnny. 2. Susan didn't call Kenneth. Susan didn't call Kenneth. 3. Larry does not understand Professor White. Larry does not understand Professor White. 4. Is he paying Harold? Is he paying Harold? 5. Did Greg phone Carl? Did Greg phone Carl? 6. She played Ben. She played Ben. 7. Michael believed Paula. Michael believed Paula. 8. Bob has decided to write Tom. Bob has decided to write Tom. 9. Angela misunderstood Professor Jones. Angela misunderstood Professor Jones. 10. After the car accident, Pearlie changed Ignacio. After the car accident, Pearlie changed Ignacio. Listening Speaking Activity 2, Intonation and WH Questions. Another aspect of intonation concerns WH questions. If the pitch falls in a WH question, the speaker is most likely requesting more information. If the pitch rises, the speaker is most likely requesting clarification or repetition. Read and listen to the following examples. The first using falling pitch to request information, the second using rising intonation to request clarification. Example 1. I'm going to California. Where? Sacramento. Example 2. I'm going to California. Where? California. Listen to the following statements and choose which answer is true. Remember that rising intonation in a WH question is a request for clarification, while falling intonation usually indicates a request for more information. Then repeat the dialogues after the speaker. I'm leaving the afternoon. When? Two. Susan is going to Turkey. Where? Three. Carl lives in Los Angeles. Where? Four. We will take our exam Friday morning. When? Five. The students have traveled to China. Where? Six. They have a football game on Saturday. When? 7. After passing his college entrance exams, Jack has decided to study in Nevada. Where? 8. Dana will come to our house on Thursday. When? 9. I have to go to the state university today. Where? 10. We will move in July. When? Speaking Pronunciation Activity 3, Intonation. Make a voice recording of the following statements, questions, or dialogues. You should pay particular attention to your intonation patterns. In some cases, you should heed the instructions after the statement, which will help you determine what kind of intonation you should use. After you finish, compare your recording to a sample native speaker recording. Pause the video to make your recording now. 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 Now listen to me read these sentences. 1. I would like some coffee. 2. Do you know if she's going to the party? 3. First, we will continue talking about volcanoes. Last class we talked about where volcanoes are located. In today's class we'll talk about why volcanoes occur. Furthermore, we'll talk about the effects they have on our global climate. 4. I would like a small orange drink. 5. I would like a small orange drink. 6. We will not leave at 2:30, we'll leave at 3:30. 7. Drinking while driving increases your chances of an accident. 8. Disneyland is a fun place to visit. You're right. It is a fun place to visit. 9. The football game is on Friday. When? 10. The football game is on Friday. When? 11. I studied in the library Monday and Tuesday. 12. He went to the beach today? 13. Would you rather run or bike today? 14. To stay healthy, one should run 20 minutes a day, eat healthily, and get adequate sleep each night. She scored a 580 on the TOEFL. 16. She scored a 580 on the TOEFL? 17. Did Larry pay Pat? 18. Did Larry pay Pat?